SimplySherry and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm getting this video up late today. I just had a lot going on this weekend. So as you can see from the title, it's going to be my update on my rolling project pan. So I'm just going to get into it because there's not a lot of changes this month. So let's start off with the FENTY gloss. I haven't really used it. I have got to push to get this out of my collection. It was 32. It's still 32. The next one is the L'Oreal powder. It was 57. It's still 57 because I haven't used it. So that'll tell you why. The next is the Too Faced Candy Cane. Again, I haven't used it. It was 31. It's still 31. So I got to push on these products. I really do. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Balm. I am wearing this today, but it's still not making a difference. It was 12 grams. It's still 12 grams. I've worn it a couple of times. The next one is the Jelly Blush. This is gone. It popped out today completely, and it stained my fingers. I fell on the floor. I can't save it, so as you can see, my fingers are saved. There was about this much left, so I'm going to consider that an empty. The next product is the Rare Beauty Bronzer. This was 37. It's still 37. I've worn it a few times, but I guess you don't need that much product. So stay up there, Odie. Lay down. He keeps jumping on and off the bed. And every time Mike goes out, he follows Mike. So I'm trying to get him to stay there. The next product is the Sephora Brown Liner. It was 4. It's still 4. I haven't sharpened this since, so I've worn it, but I haven't sharpened it, so it hasn't changed much. Next is my sunscreen. It was 99. It's down to 89, so I have been using that. The next product is the Pistachio perfume. I never use this month, so it's the same at 51 grams. The next product is the Pillow Talk Liner. It was 3 grams. It's still 3 grams. So that's it, guys. Like I said, it wasn't an exciting update, but at least I got one thing out, so that's good. It was kind of using up kind of an accident. Like I said, it was down there, and it was getting like it was getting a little more jiggly than normal. Like it was getting like the heat was getting to it, and it was turning into like gel. Instead of jelly, it was more like gel, like it was starting to melt a bit. So at least that's gone. So the thing that I'm going to move in its place is just this Bondi Sands Gradual Tanning Lotion. I'm just going to finish this up. Get the last little boost of tan before the summer is completely gone. Like, it is technically fall now, but the weather's still decent outside. As you can see, I'm wearing a tank top. So yeah, so I'm going to finish this up. I don't have a starting weight, but I'll get that and put it down below for you guys. There's probably only a use or 2 left in it, so I'm giving me a gimme product this month. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What have you guys been finishing up lately? Let me know down below. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.